The Merit Award goes to Commonwealth Engineers and the City of Crown Point for their project, Water Utility Master Plan Improvements Project. The City of Crown Point's water utility contains multiple pressure zones with elevated tanks, ground storage reservoirs, and pumping stations providing water supply and pressure. Prior to this project, the city was unable to take these facilities offline for necessary maintenance, repairs, or in case of emergency. Additional storage volume was necessary for peak demands and for the growth of the city. This multi-phase master plan project spanned several years. It included 2 ground storage reservoirs, repair and rehabilitation to existing facilities, a new pumping station, chemical addition, controls, valves, and a new bulk water fill station. Due to the financing utilized, the city qualified for over $4 million in forgivable funding from the SRF and IFA for service line replacements. Congratulations on this amazing project.